Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my book, Kangaroo Kids Preschool Series, my book of English Pre-Premier. Today I am going to describe concept of 5 vowel sounds. So let's start. Vowel sound A. Look at the given pictures and read the word given below each picture. Van, man, pen, rat, cat, bat, mat, tap. Let's read some more few words. Pan, jam, bag, nab, slab, lad, map, car, lab, cab, jab, mad, sack, lap, mat, sat, fat, bad, nap, sad, tab, rag, tag, gap. Read aloud. Now I will speak some more few sentences. Rishi has a van. Neha is wearing a hat. A red fat hen ran. Pam is looking at the map. Water is running from the tap. Question number 1. Take the picture in which vowel sound A is used. Owl, no. Bat, yes. Hen, no. Pen, no. Hut, no. Mat, yes. Duck, no. Hat, yes. Mug, no. Question number 2. Match the words with the pictures. Ant, rat, bag. Question number 3. One letter is missing in each of the given words. Fill in the missing letter and complete the given words. H-A-T, hat. J-A-M, jam. F-A-T, fat. C-A-P, cap. Question number 4. Complete the word ladder. C-A-T, cat. M-A-T, mat. T-A-G, tag. P-A-N, pan. Next vowel sound is A. Look at the given pictures and read the word given below each picture. Pen, net, men, bed, jet, pet, egg, leg. Let's read some more few words. Red, lead, well, fed, hen, wed, leg, beg, egg, peg, den, men, met, set, get, wet, keg, yet, pet, fell, bell, ten, let, jet. Read aloud some more few sentences. Cat is on the bed. A man is in the jet. Priya's hat is red. The net is wet. Ned has a pet. Now we will do some more exercises related to vowel sound A. Question number 1. Look at the given pictures and complete the words by filling the appropriate letter in the box. E, G, G, egg. W-E-T, wet. T-E-N, ten. W-E-L-L, well. Question number 2. Solve the word puzzle by using the given picture clues. This is a net. So we will write N-E-T, net. This is a leg. So we will write L-E-G, leg. This is a hen. So we will write H-E-N, hen. This is a pen. So we will write P-E-N, pen. Question number 4. Match the words with the pictures. Den, pet, net. Now next vowel sound is E. Look at the given pictures and read the word given below each picture. Pin, bin, tin, hit, lip, win, kid, nib. Let's read some more few words. Big, dig, wig, fig, fit, thin, hit, pit, kit, bit, sit, sing, jip, tip, dip, sip, lip, chin, bib, rib, nib, lid, hill, fill. Read aloud some more few sentences. Ria fell in a pit. Tim hit a big tin. Pia loves to sing. The bib is in the bin. Tia has a ring. Now we will do some more exercises related to vowel sound E. Question number 1. Look at the words given on the left side and accordingly circle the correct pictures. Zip, egg, jip, horse. So we need to circle the jip. Tin, net, mat, tin. So we need to circle the tin. Bin, mouse, leg, bin. So we need to circle the bin. Nib, leaf, nib, butterfly. So we need to circle the nib. Question number 2. Look at the given pictures and write their correct names. Wig, dig, hill, sit, question number 3. Help the Santa in finding the way to his gifts for children. Draw a line through the maze to follow the words in which E is used. 6. Bin, hit, nib, fit. Now we will do vowel sound O. Look at the given pictures and read the word given below each picture. Dog, hot, box, pot, top, fox, dot, log. Let's read some more few words. Lot, knot, cop, odd, cord, off, pod, mop, jog, mom, fog, sod, dawn, mob, sov, rob, on, got, nod, rod, lob, job, frog, stop. Read aloud some more few sentences. The cock is on the log. The dog is dirty. Rob is playing with a top. Roy is sitting on the cot. Bob has got a ball. Now we will do some more exercises related to vowel sound O. Question number 1. Match the words with the pictures. Box. Dot. Fox. Top. Question number 2. Help the butterfly in reaching the flower by joining the words made by using vowel O. Rod, lob, rod, job. Now butterfly reached to flower. Question number 3. One letter is missing in each of the given words. Taking help from the pictures, complete the words by writing the appropriate letter. P-O-T, pot. H-O-T, hot. L-O-G, log. D-O-G, dog. Question number 4. Take the picture in which vowel sound O is used. Top. Fox. Dog. Now we will do vowel sound A. Look at the given pictures and read the word given below. Each picture: cup, tub, hut, cut, run, mug, mud, sun. Let's read some more few words. Hub, rub, cub, bud, sun, plug, bus, butt, bug, jug, dug, pluck, hug, gum, cud, fun, bun, luck, truck, drum, none, jump, much, such. Read aloud some more few sentences. The mug is near the cup. The pup is near the tub. Adi runs for a bun. Nikhil has a drum. Mary is a nun. Now we will do some more exercises related to vowel sound A. Question number 1. Write the correct names of each of the given pictures. J U G, jug. G U M, gum. S U N, sun. N U N, none. Question number 2. Complete the word puzzle taking help from the picture clues. Bus. Now we will write bus. Mug. Scissor is used to cut a paper. This is a scissor, so we will write cut. This is a cup, so we will write cup. Question number 3. Complete the words by using the given picture clues. B-U-G, bug. H-U-G, hug. R-U-B, rub. D-R-U-M, drum. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate letter. F-U-N, fun. D-U-C-K, duck. J-U-M-P, jump. R-U-B, rub. B-U-T, butt. N-U-N, nun. B-U-N, bun. M-U-G, mug. C-U-T, cut. R-U-G, rug. T-U-B, tub. N-U-T, nut. Hope you understand the concept of vowel sound. If you like my video, then please like, share, subscribe and watch my channel. Bye.